starting with the holy name of Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. Very warm welcome to you in Radiant Secondary School in online classes. How are you, students? I hope all of you people will be fine and enjoying the good health. It's a class 8 and the subject is biology. We are discussing about chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Biology. The main topic that we discuss today is relationship of biology to other sciences. Relationship of biology to other sciences cannot be denied. Biology have a strong relationship with other sciences. We can discuss all these relationships one by one. The first relationship is between biology and chemistry, that is biochemistry. The next is between biology and economics, that is bioeconomics. The next relationship is between mathematics and biology, that is biometry or biomathematics. The next one is between biology and physics, that is biophysics. The next one is between biology and geography, that is biogeography. All these relationships are there that we discuss one by one. The first relationship that is between biology and physics is biophysics. What is biophysics? Biophysics deal with the study of principles of physics. It deals with the study of principle of physics. In physics, we will discuss about laws and principles. So, what is biophysics? Biophysics deal with the study of principle of physics which are applicable in biological phenomena. So, what is biophysics? Biophysics deal with the study of principle of physics which are applicable in biological phenomena. Different parts of human body work on the working principle of physics, like liver and limb. Liver in physics and limbs in biology work on the same principle of the physics. What is liver? Liver is a rod that is used to lift the load. And what are limbs? Our arms, our legs are the limbs that shows the movement. Like in this picture, you can see a man lift the load. How he can lift the load? He can lift the load when the muscles provide the effort and elbow work as the fulcrum. Then the person is able to hold the load. Similarly, different parts of our body shows different types of movement. How they shows different type of movement? They shows different types of movement by working on the same principle of physics like the lever. The next relationship is between biology and chemistry. That is biochemistry. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry deal with the study of chemistry. Chemistry of which thing? Chemistry of different compounds and processes. And these different compounds are present in living organisms, and processes are also take place in living organisms. So what is biochemistry? Biochemistry deal with the study of chemistry of different compound and processes that take place in living organisms. Different compounds are present in living organisms like carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, protein, water. All these are present in living organisms. Their chemistry are studied, their compositions are studied under the custody of biochemistry. Different processes are also take place in living organisms like photosynthesis. It's a process by which plants make the food, and it's take place in plants. In this process they make food, and sugar is the food of plant. And the next is respiration. Respiration is also a process that take place in living organisms in which they break down the glucose. All these processes take place in living organisms, and these are studied under the custody of biochemistry. The next is biomathematics or biometry. What is biomathematics or biometry? It's a relationship between biology and mathematics. It deals with the study of biological processes. How can we study the biological processes? By biomathematics. We can study biological processes by biomathematics with the help of mathematical techniques and tools. So, what is biomathematics or biometry? It deals with the study of biological processes by mathematical techniques and tool. For example, during a scientific method, when a biologist gather data, then what will he do? Then he analyze the data. How he can analyze the data? He analyzed data by mathematical tool. We can also determine the size of cell with the help of biomathematics. The next one is biogeography. What is biogeography? Bio mean life, geo mean earth, and graphy mean to write. So what is biogeography? Biogeography deal with the study of occurrence and distribution. Occurrence and distribution of which thing? Occurrence and distribution of different species of living organisms. Where these living organisms are present? These are present in different geographical region of the world. So what is biogeography? Biogeography deal with the study of occurrence and distribution of which thing? Of different species of living organisms that are present in different geographical region of the world. Different organisms are present in different region of the world, and they are having different type of characteristics like knowledge of biogeography. Apply the knowledge of characteristics of which thing? Geographical region of living organisms. It determines the characteristics of geographical region, and it also determines the characteristics of that organisms that are present in that area. For example, camel is known as the sheep of desert. Why is called sheep of desert? Because it have the characteristics that help them to survive in the desert. Desert is dry, it receives less rainfall, and camel have ability to store more water and tolerate the temperature. In this way, both things can determine the characteristics of living organisms and geographical region. And the last relationship is bioeconomics. What is bioeconomics? Bioeconomics deal with the study of organisms. How it deal with the study of organisms? It deal with the study of organisms from economical point of view. So what is bioeconomics? Bioeconomics deal with the study of organisms from economical point of view. For example, cost value. What is cost value? Cost value is the value on which a thing can be purchased. And profit value is the value that is got after purchasing something. So cost value and profit value. Yield wheat, yield of wheat can be calculated. How it can be calculated? It can be calculated by bioeconomics. Bioeconomics can also determine loss and profit value. It also determine which thing? It is also determine the loss and profit value. Thank you so much, students. Allah Hafiz.